In this guide, you will learn how to fix Spotify AIDs and not showing up. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using a Spotify premium plan because AIDs feature is not available on free accounts and may also be restricted on some newer student plans. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, since outdated versions often cause the DJ feature to disappear. After updating, open Spotify and search for DJ manually because the feature may not always appear on the home screen. Next, try logging out and back into your account, clearing the Spotify cache. Also, check if you have enabled VPN. In case it is enabled, disable it, as Spotify AIDs availability depends on your account region and supported countries. If these solutions didn't work out for you, completely delete Spotify app from your device and reinstall it. If none of the fixes work, the feature may not yet be fully available in your country as Spotify could be experiencing temporary server issues. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.